Alright, so good evening, guys, and welcome back again into the room. I hope you guys are all guys are okay and doing well. Okay, so let's look at the dollar index. So, guys, dollar index is on its way. So the structure we were watching before this breakout was this, yeah. Okay, so we were anticipating that price gonna hit this place, and we are leaving the corrective structure. Okay, so a trend continuation pattern broken. Okay, so the continuation pattern same like this, but this was triangle, expanding triangle, yeah, impulse and form a expanding triangle and continue to the upside. Okay, so we are anticipating this wave on current price. Okay, so we are anticipating price gonna hit this upper channel line. Okay, so you guys can see it is really strong. Right, the previous impulse was there, price started to form flat channel and broken at this place. Price is moving to the upper channel line, yeah. So whenever price will come close to this trend line, we will look for buy. Okay, it's clear now, okay, which direction it is going. All right, it is clear now where it is going. Once price gonna start to form a correction, okay, it can further push to the upside and then started to form a correction. All right, so whenever price will come close to the trend line, we will look for buy. Okay, and if price will not come close to the trend line and form again a trend continuation pattern, we will look for buy. Okay, so if this move gonna lose its momentum, then obviously price gonna come close to the trend line. Okay, bigger correction may form. Okay, if this breakout lose momentum, start to lose momentum, then definitely price gonna come close to the trend line. And if this move pick up or gain its strength, the way it is moving, gain more strength, then we may see something like small trend continuation pattern rather than bigger trend continuation pattern and break through that trend continuation pattern. Okay, if price started to form a bigger correction, then definitely we gonna look buy setup here at this place. Okay, so currently we are not looking for buy setup. Okay, because price is on its way. Okay, so we are not interested to chase the running candles. Okay, so the buy setup was here at this place. Okay, so the first buy setup, the bigger trade, the bigger wave, we were anticipating this one gonna come. Okay, and there were couple of buy setup within this channel. We have spoken about all those setups with details on lower time frame. All right, so dollar index is on its way. If we're gonna look a trend continuation pattern, we're gonna look for buy. Obviously we're gonna look for short trades on lower time frame. All right, so this is the lower time frame. If price form a bigger trend continuation pattern, then look for buy, yeah, for further strength to the upside. Okay, same like this. All right, so for short period of time. So this is the short-term trade setup to the upside. If you see trend continuation pattern, look for buy to the upside. It's really easy, no complication or nothing complicated is there. Same like this. So this was the triangle. Okay, so triangle broken with strong impulse to the upside. This was the bigger channel or flag, yeah, impulse and flag and broken to the upside. Currently we can see it is forming a flag. Impulse form a flat channel, broken, form a trend continuation pattern, broken, Now again it is forming trend continuation pattern. If this continuation pattern forms correctively and extend somewhere here up to this place, and your indication gonna give you that it is going to break to the upside, so buy. Okay, same like your USD chief. You guys know, how price was running over there, yeah, and how that trend continuation pattern behaved on that day. So this is the trade for a short period of time. Here is the buy setup by placing your stop loss here. All right, so the wave we're gonna look for here is something like your USD and Turkish lira. Okay, so same wave we are anticipating here on this pair dollar index. Same pattern formed there, you guys can see, yeah. So we are anticipating this move on dollar index. Okay, so remember this pattern formed here at this place. Indication wasn't saying that look for buy, and we got the correction back, a trend continuation pattern. Here at this place, indication was saying that buy to the upside. Okay, on dollar index, and we bought dollar index from that place for the longer run, yeah. And here at this place there is no buy setup, same like your dollar index, yeah. It's just breaking here at this place, and we are looking small correction back and then buy to the upside for continuation for this wave to the upside. Okay, so this kind of wave we are anticipating on dollar index. Okay, you guys can see impulse started to form a trend continuation pattern and broken that trend continuation pattern to the upside. So this way we are anticipating on dollar index. Okay, so let's look at the next pair, Australian dollar and CAD. Okay, so this wave is on its way. The wave we were anticipating, you guys remember that we were anticipating this wave since price was there at the top here at this place. Impulse price, we're anticipating the price running into the channel. We are anticipating this wave, yeah. So it's already moved 50% of the you know the wave we were anticipating. So we are anticipating we're gonna get this wave as well, yeah. For a shorter period of time, for we gonna look for this trend line. What kind of price action we're gonna see here at this place? If price respect this place, then again price gonna rise to the upside. Okay, so we can see it may form this channel. Okay, so we're gonna watch for price action here at this place, and if price break down, then we're gonna hold our trades for we will try to catch this potential as well. Okay, so you guys can see that impulse price started to form a channel, and we were waiting this way when price was here at this top. Okay, so if we look at the lower time frame, we can see price started to form a reversal channel. Okay, reversal channel means it can push to the upside for the we may see some push to the upside and then continuation. Okay, so price started to form, impulse started to form a trend reversal pattern. It can push to the upside. If we see impulsive impulsive sign to the upside, then price can extend further to the upside. And if we see this is corrective wave, then definitely we're gonna look for the downside again, yeah. So how we can trade within this trend reversal channel, you guys know that, yeah. Before we were anticipating expanding triangle, yeah. Price didn't reach over there, we were looking sell here at this place. If you guys remember that, yeah, we were looking sell here at this place. at this place for this wave. All right, so now you guys can trade within this channel for short period of time, for short trades. Okay, how you can do, you guys know that yeah, whenever price come close to the trend line, then you can look for buy. Okay, and if price come close to the upper channel line, you can look for sell. Okay, so this is really easy, really easy, there is no complication. We got the reversal channel, we found this pattern. Yeah, the first thing is to identify your pattern. What pattern is this? If you found that pattern correctly, then you know the ranges. What are the ranges of that pattern? We found the trend reversal channel. Okay, now we are anticipating that price gonna hit this place, and if price gonna give us impulsive sign on lower time frame, we're gonna look for this trade. Okay, and if we got this trade impulsive wave to the upside, we're gonna wait for the breakout to the upside. And if price breakout, then we're gonna look for correction. And if price form correction, then continuation to the upside. Okay, because our indications are showing that here at this place, you know, oversold conditions are here, are divergence here, and indications are showing that price gonna rise to the upside. And for further, you know, continuation to the downside, at least we need a bigger correction, same like your silver and dollar. Okay, we found this trend continue, the trend reversal pattern over there, price formed this trend reversal pattern over there very nicely, but broken that trend reversal pattern correctively to the upside. Okay, breakout wasn't aggressive, which is going to convince us that price is going to continue to the upside, and then started to fall. Okay, so we need a bigger correction here at this place for the continuation to the downside. Okay, for a short period of time, you can go on your lower time frame. You need to watch price action. Once price hit to your channel line, if you see some impulsive sign, you can buy over there. Yeah, once price hit this trend reversal, a trend line, you need to watch for the impulsive sign. If you price form impulsive sign over there, you can buy. Place your stop loss just behind the trend line. Yeah, if you see some impulsive sign here that price is going to rise, try to catch the impulse based on your indication. Okay, or join the impulse. Okay, so place your stop loss behind, and you know, try to catch this way. Okay, so if this comes aggressively, hold your trade, and if price started to form correction, then don't look for buy setup. Yeah, and this means price going to continue to the downside, not going to continue to the upside. Okay, then we're going to look for sell once price hit the upper channel line, because we want to sell with the trend. Okay, so this buy setup gonna be against the trend. This buy setup gonna be against the trend. Okay, if the price can extend its ranges, it can stop you out and then can come back again within the channel. Okay, so use reasonable stop loss, and if you are looking to buy, then buy on reasonable, you know, place. Don't buy early, because price can extend and can stop you out and then can continue. Okay, if we see this corrective wave, we're gonna look for downside. All right, for this potential. So Aussie Chief, it has broken down. Okay, so we were anticipating that price gonna respect the top and gonna start to fall. Okay, we can see price respecting this place. Okay, we can see price respecting this place, and we are anticipating breakdown of this corrective wave. All right, so we are looking to sell at the top. Okay, so we are looking to sell at the top. We are anticipating this move, because we can see this is not a start of a big wave to the upside. This is not a, you know, start of a big wave to the upside. We can see price formed a corrective wave and then started to fall. Okay, you guys can see corrective trend continuation pattern and started to fall. Corrective wave started to fall and again started to form a corrective wave. Okay, so this trade gonna be your risk taking trade on trend. This is trend continuation pattern to the downside. Yeah, and selling here at this place gonna be risk taking in trade, but we don't sell based on weekly charts. We sell on lower time frame chart. Yeah, and we look for trend continuation pattern on lower time frame. So selling based on trend continuation pattern here on weekly, is not a risk taking entry. So this entry gonna be based on our indication. Okay, this entry gonna be based on our indication. Okay, so we are looking to sell based on indication. We are anticipating that this move gonna come. All right, so we can see price respecting the upper channel line at this place, yeah, and broken for the short period of time, but it can push up again. All right, it can push up again. At this price there is no sell setup. If price form trend continuation pattern, okay, and that trend continuation pattern come close to this point, then we're gonna look for sell. Right, if trend continuation pattern form here and then you'll try to sell, then it can change its formation because the whole structure is complex corrective structure. It can change its formation at any time. Okay, so trend is not clear at the moment. So if price come close to this top again, then look for sell. All right, so some of you guys sold and took some profit, did well. So we can see some signs here on this pair. Yeah, so price respecting that structure, that expanding triangle trend line. Yeah, so we are anticipating expanding triangle on New Zealand yen and on this pair. Yeah, so we can see price showing some signs here at this place. Okay, but this wave hasn't been confirmed yet. It is going to start. For this, we need to watch for the trend continuation pattern, and if we will see the trend continuation pattern, then it's going to confirm that price is going to reverse. Yeah, it is still weak. The reason is that you guys can see, interest rate has been risen by the US, and all people looking to put their money in US assets rather than in Japan. And Japan interest rate is at zero. So all these are I think minus zero. So all these are reasons that yen is going to weak. Okay, so we got the trend reversal pattern here at this place, and that has broken to the upside. And if price want to continue to the upside, it must give us a corrective trend continuation pattern here at this place. Okay, and then gonna continue to the upside almost on all yen pairs. Okay, at least trend continuation pattern is required for the continuation to the upside, for the change in the trend. Okay, so if we look at the structure, something like this. So for the change in trend, at least price come close to this place. Okay, you guys know when your trend reversal pattern form, price come close to the breakout point or even test the impulse starting point, and then can continue to the upside. Okay, so at least price need to form a trend continuation pattern here at this place for the upside if it is going to change its trend. Okay, so the bearish trend. So we are looking to grab that corrective wave to the downside. If that gonna form a impulsive sign here at this place, then price can retest the low again. Your impulsive starting point again can be retest by the this corrective impulse or this aggressive impulse to the upside. So we can see there are some signs that prices are broken down the corrective uptrend. Yeah, so price has broken this. So we need to watch for the clear trend continuation pattern here at this place. If price form trend continuation pattern, then it means it is going to reverse into other direction. Okay, so this trend continuation pattern can come up to this place, guys, remember. And if this corrective pattern break through, then your impulse gonna violate. We're not gonna rely on this impulse anymore. We need to watch for for more impulse. We need to wait for the for another impulse. The price is going to continue to the downside. Okay, so same like this, impulse violated here, no sell. Okay, so this pair is on its way. We have been watching this pair. Once price was hitting at this place, we were looking to buy. We're anticipating that we're gonna get this move. Okay, so this is a corrective pattern. It will break to the upside really soon, very soon gonna break. At least price gonna come close to this place. All right, this place. So we're anticipating that we're gonna get this move, this move. Okay, so if price do not break this time again, we're gonna look for buy setup at the bottom. Okay, we're gonna look for buy setup at the bottom. So this pair still within the corrective trend continuation pattern. Okay, we can see ranges are going to be narrow and breakout is about to happen. Price again can hold this place and can fall back again. All right, so the trade setup we were anticipating on this pair, I don't think so. I got the picture here in my folder. I have spoken about this in the meeting on that day when price was forming this corrective pattern. Yeah, basically you guys need to build your confidence when you are looking to buy or sell based on structure. Okay, so confidence is really important. Then these structure and trend lines gonna help you. Okay, when this corrective pattern was forming, we were looking buy setup here at this place, and once price broken out, if price do not continue to the upside, then we were looking here at this place. Okay, now we are looking for buy setup here at this place. If price do not continue to the upside, we can see trend continuation pattern is forming over there. Okay, although trend continuation pattern is forming over there, if do not break this trend continuation pattern, change its formation, then our buy setup here. We are not looking for sell. Okay, so we are not interested in this much potential. All right, so we are looking for the bigger potential to the upside. Okay, if you will sell this, then it is possible that price can break up this trend line and change the formation it is holding since very long, and change the formation and then started to fall, stop you out, and then started to fall, and then gonna continue to the upside. Okay, so be careful if you are looking to sell for small potential within this corrective trend continuation pattern. Okay, so we were anticipating this trend continuation pattern. Everyone knows that. Yeah, we were anticipating this trend continuation pattern here at this place, and we got that trend continuation pattern. That trend continuation pattern behaved well and is giving us a nice profit on that day when there was read 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 the scene there. We were anticipating cell setup in the meeting on that day here at this place. You guys remember that? Yeah, we were anticipating cell setup here at this place. Yeah, so the trend continuation pattern we were anticipating before its formation. So basically the idea was this. Okay, idea was this: we were looking to sell here at this place. Once price started to fall, we were anticipating this trend continuation pattern before its formation, and we were looking to sell here at this place on that day. Yeah, and this pair is doing well, so this is the pattern we were anticipating here. Okay, so this pattern we were you know why we were anticipating this pattern. What was the the crystal ball, or what was the reason that price gonna form this trend continuation pattern? Anyone have idea about this? Anyone got the idea why we were anticipating this trend continuation pattern? Anyone anyone? Yeah, this is the first reason that it is going to go down, but the first reason is that price has already moved a lot. Yeah, price has already moved a lot, and your indicator was showing you that there is no reasons to continue to the downside. Yeah, so price should form a continuation pattern, okay, and then going to continue to the downside. And if price start to form 10 continuation pattern, obviously that there going to be another sell to the downside. Okay, so that is the reason we were anticipating trend continuation pattern here. And after that we got trend continuation pattern, very nice trend continuation pattern to the downside. Okay, so this was the trend continuation pattern. Okay, so price can form new lows. It is on its way. You guys can see. Yes, exactly, you are right. Sonu, you are right. Raji, you are also right. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, we can see price running into this long standing descending channel. Okay, long standing descending channel, and this corrective wave is over. Okay, and the continuation is forming. We're anticipating that price gonna hit this place, at least this place. Remember, your dollar index has broken the trend continuation pattern. Dollar index has broken trend continuation pattern, and we are looking for this wave on dollar index. Okay, if dollar index push to the upside, then definitely this gonna push to the downside. Okay, at least gonna hit the previous low. All right, so again, if price form trend continuation pattern, we will look for sell again. Yeah, so at this point we need a much bigger trend continuation pattern, same like you're the previous one. Okay, if form something like this, then again we're gonna look for continuation to the downside. Okay, so you guys need to watch your lower time frame. What kind of price action we're gonna see? Either we're gonna see a corrective price action, or we're gonna see impulsive price action. If we will see impulsive price action, we will close our trade and we will look for buy up to this place. Okay, in that case price gonna change this trend continuation formation. It may form another pattern here like your triangle, expanding triangle. Okay, so then we're gonna look for the upside here at this place for the expanding triangle. If we see some impulsive sign gonna appear to the upside, and if price hit this place, we're gonna look for downside again. All right, so we will watch this pair on the lower time frame because we are in at the top we are in from this place, and we got some trend continuation pattern on lower time frame, and we are watching what kind of price action we're gonna see here. If we're gonna see impulsive price action here, then we will look for the exit, and then we will look for the upside. Okay, so this kind of impulsive sign, you guys can see impulse and then started to form a trend continuation pattern, and then price started to rise again, form a trend continuation pattern, started to rise. Okay, so we will watch this kind of price action over there. What kind of price action over there? We're going to see either impulsive or either corrective. Okay, so what kind of corrective price action? This is your corrective price action. This is your trend continuation pattern, and again, if price again form trend continuation pattern here, then it means it is not going to go to the upside, it is going to continue to the downside, same like this. Yeah, then we're going to hold our trade which we sold here from this place. Okay, so we will watch this pair. So chief yen, there is no impulsive sign, although it is same like other yen pairs. Yeah, cat chief, the pattern we were anticipating is this. Yeah, so we can see this channel is over, this channel is over, this channel is no more, here broken out and changing. Okay, so we are looking something like this. Yeah, we are relying on this trend line. Yeah, obviously we can see our indication showing, it was showing short here and now showing short here. If price want to continue to the upside, then at least price should give us a trend continuation pattern here at this place. You guys remember that I have spoken about this once price was hitting this trend line. Yeah, I told you on that day, if price break through to the upside, so it should give us a trend continuation pattern after breaking this channel.